The question given here is a Saturn year is 29.5 times the Earth year. So how far the Saturn from the Sun if the Earth is 1.50 into 10 power 8 kilometers away from the Sun. So by using the Kepler's third law, we'll get the relation of time period T is equals to pi square r cube by gm whole power 1 by 2. So thus we can rewrite this equation as r of Saturn cube by r of Earth cube is equals to t of Saturn square by time period of Earth square. So r is equals to re into ts by te whole power 2 by 3. So substituting the value of re is nothing but 1.5 into 10 power 11 into 29.5 te by te. You're expressing ts in terms of te, that is 29.5 te. So this ts, because it is given 29.5 times of Earth year. So when you calculate this value, TE gets cancelled. 29.5 into 2 by 3 into 1.5 into 10 power 11 will give you the value of 14.32 into 10 power 11 meter. Thus, the distance between the Sun and Saturn is 14.32 into 10 power 11 meter.